Excuse the damage I've caused. If it's what was intended, smite me down. Everything happens for a reason, and if that reason is for me to be exposed, I will live, persevere, as I have and will. But let me make one thing clear. I will never forgive myself for the collateral or the ashes left behind here and now or far down the line. It all happens as intended, and if that intent was for me to be in ruin, I'll live, but I don't know for how long, because the beauty of the unknown longs and the abyss of peaceless calls, and those siren sounds are ones I can't hold off for long. The strength at which this cheap Gorilla Glue knockoff is holding me shall soon wilter, and the cracks within my weary skin will give way, digital limbs atomize, until I return to dust, and the only thing I'll be given is a second chance. Maybe we'll meet a few years down the line. We'll converse it, you'll say everything's going fine. I'll say I wish I could say the same thing back. Every part of me crumbles in cracks.